Are you camping has evolved far beyond just a tent and a sleeping bag? Today's outdoor enthusiasts are equipping themselves with innovative gadgets that make life in the wild more comfortable, efficient, and fun. Whether you're a seasoned camper or heading out for your first overnight adventure, the right gear makes all the difference. In this guide, we review the best camping gadgets based on function. List 1. Stanley Adventure All-in-One Boil Plus Brew French Press. 32 ounce. The Stanley Adventure All-in-One Boil Plus Brew French Press is a game changer for coffee-loving campers. Designed with durable stainless steel, this 32-ounce French press combines the convenience of boiling water and brewing coffee in one compact system. The nesting design saves space, and the BPA-free materials ensure a safe sip every time. The handle stays cool even during boiling, and the press mechanism is efficient enough to rival home brews. Whether you're at a mountain base camp or in the backwoods, the Stanley press delivers robust flavor and rugged reliability. It's easy to clean, easy to carry, and hard not to love. List number E10 Wolf Air 3 Air Pump for Inflatables with 2600 mAh battery and camping light. Compact yet powerful, the E10 Wolf Air 3 Air Pump is an essential gadget for campers who use inflatable gear like mattresses, pillows, or kayaks. This ultra-fast mini electric air pump boasts a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts long enough for multiple inflations. It doubles as a camping light with adjustable brightness levels, which makes it incredibly versatile for night setups or tent lighting. The one-touch operation is intuitive, and its lightweight build means it won't weigh down your pack. Despite its size, it delivers serious airflow for fast inflations and deflations. The thoughtful design includes Mecker Fire color changing packets. Looking to add some magic to your campfire nights? Mecker Fire color changing packets are a delightful way to elevate your bonfire experience. Simply toss 1 or 2 packets into the fire and watch vibrant blues, greens, and purples dance among the flames. Safe for indoor and outdoor use, these packets are perfect for campfires, fire pits, or chimeneas. They're especially popular with kids and social groups, adding a festive, mesmerizing effect that enhances any gathering. Each packet lasts up to 30 minutes and is self-contained. No measuring or mess. Plus, they don't produce any harmful fumes, making them safe when used as directed. While not a necessity, this fun little gadget adds charm. List or retractable portable clothesline for travel. Drying wet gear or laundry in the wild can be a hassle, but the retractable portable clothesline solves that problem with ease. Lightweight, compact, and incredibly practical, this clothesline stretches to a generous length and includes 12 strong clips for hanging socks, shirts, towels, and more. The anti-slip design keeps clothes spaced apart, and its retractable nature makes it easy to store and transport. It can be fastened between trees, poles, or inside tents using the provided hooks or suction cups. Ideal for campers, RV travelers, and backpackers, this clothesline is the ultimate low-tech solution to a common camping challenge. It keeps your list number 1000 mAh Portable Waist Clip Fan. Beat the heat with the 1000 mAh Portable Waist Clip Fan, designed for hands-free, long-lasting cooling. This wearable fan features a strong clip for your waist or belt, delivering powerful airflow up to 16,000 RPM across 5 speed settings. With up to 40 hours of battery life on a single charge, it's ideal for multi-day camping trips, hikes, or even outdoor labor. The brushless motor is quiet but efficient, making it suitable for both day and night use. Whether you're trekking through the desert or relaxing by a sunny lakeside, this gadget keeps you cool without the need for bulky handheld fans. Plus, its USB-C charging port makes recharging a